everybody. I'm back. Yay, I'm back. So, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. My name is Shauna and welcome to Shauna's World. Yay! So, how's everybody doing? Whew. Oh, this guy is such a lifesaver. So, I am back to working out, although I never really stopped. Excuse me. I had so much to do, so I was not able to get into the fitness studio, but I've been playing tennis, and then today I decided to do some Taibo. Oh, and by the way, guys, if you ever get a chance, pick up one of these from Amazon. This is actually not from Amazon. I bought this in Spain, but I bought another version from Amazon, and I'll show you at the end. It's these little miniature fans, and they are a lifesaver, especially on those hot days. It got really, really like hot over here. I'm talking tropical hot, and you guys are probably like, what's hot in Germany? I'm talking like almost 100-degree weather over here in the last few days. So we've been really burning up, and this guy's been a lifesaver. You just press a button, and you know, it's rechargeable through the USB outlet or stick or cable. So you can charge it directly through the wall, or through the plug or whatever. And it's just been a lifesaver. So if you're outside and you know, and you're sweating, I mean, it gets to all the spots. It beats fanning. But yeah, it's good to be back. I feel like I have not talked in so long. There's so much to talk about. But however, I just got through doing my workout, so I am going to take a shower and then show you all what I'm going to eat. And then, yeah, let's have a small chat before I get out and about, and let you all know what's going on, what's been going on, and what I've discovered new. And yeah, so stick around, don't go nowhere.